on our way to Millomeris Waterfall. I find this awesome view. Seriously, whoever is like a fan of pictures of nature, you'll love Cyprus. It took us a while, but we finally reached it. The Millomeris Waterfalls. The road, I have to say, here is much better than Adonis Waterfalls, but otherwise I say it's nice. It's a bit chilly though, more chilly than there, so I'll let you know how it goes. These waterfalls are supposed to be 15 meters high. Right now here I'm in May, June, so if you come here, come a bit further. It's freezing.